If you're seeing a green video, green flashes, a solid green screen, or glitching in CapCut on PC, don't worry, this is usually a hardware compatibility issue, and in most cases it can be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix the CapCut green video error, including the main setting that usually solves it, plus a few backup fixes if the problem keeps happening. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once you're inside the app, go to the top left corner and click the menu button. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This will open the main settings window, where you can change performance options that affect exporting and playback. Next, look at the tabs across the top and click Performance. This is where CapCut's hardware acceleration settings are located. Now, under the Performance section, find the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding and uncheck it. If you also see Speed Up Hardware Decoding, uncheck that too. This is the most important fix, because these hardware features can conflict with certain graphics drivers and cause the green screen or export error. After turning those options off, click Save to apply the changes. Then completely close CapCut and reopen it so the new settings actually take effect. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue, and your videos will export normally again. If you still see green frames or glitching after that, the next step is to clear CapCut's cache. Go back to Menu, then Settings, and look for the cache option. You should see a trash icon next to cache. Click it to clear the temporary files. Over time, cache can get corrupted or conflict with preview rendering, so clearing it can help CapCut rebuild everything cleanly. If the error still continues, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This is especially important if you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics. Go to the official driver site for your GPU and install the latest Studio or stable release, not an outdated version. Old or buggy drivers are one of the biggest reasons CapCut shows green export issues on desktop. Another helpful fix is to re-import the clip that's glitching. Sometimes a video file or timeline instance gets stuck in a bad render state. To do this, delete the problem clip from your timeline, then drag it again from the media pool back into the project. This forces CapCut to process it again and can remove the green glitch. If you're working with multiple clips, you may also want to test one clip at a time so you can see whether the issue is coming from a specific file or from the hardware settings themselves. And just to be clear, if disabling hardware encoding and decoding fixes the problem, you may notice exports take a little longer. But that's a small trade-off for getting clean, normal-looking videos again without the green screen error. So the full process is simple. Turn off hardware encoding and decoding, save the settings, restart CapCut, clear cache if needed, update your GPU drivers, and re-import any clip that still glitches. Those steps solve the CapCut green video error for most users on PC. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I'll keep making quick tutorials and easy fixes for apps like CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.